Trivia apps that pay cash don't generate money from answering questions. They're funded by ads and sponsored brand deals where companies pay for attention and engagement, then convert that into cash rewards once you complete quizzes or challenges. By the end of this, you'll know 5 trivia apps that actually pay, how each one structures earnings, and what really controls whether payouts feel quick or slow in real use. Start with how these trivia apps actually work. Every legit cash trivia app runs on the same model. You answer questions, join live or timed quizzes, and earn points based on participation or correct answers. Once you hit the minimum threshold, those points convert into PayPal cash or gift cards depending on the app. The money is coming from advertisers, not the trivia itself. First category is live trivia cash apps. These apps run scheduled quiz games where players compete in real time. You earn based on how long you stay in the game or how many questions you get right. Rewards can feel fast during active sessions, but you have to wait for live events to play. Second category is on-demand trivia apps. These apps let you answer quizzes anytime instead of waiting for live games. Earnings are usually smaller per session, but you can play more consistently throughout the day. Third category is hybrid reward apps with trivia sections. These apps combine trivia with surveys, offers, and other mini-tasks. Trivia is just one earning method, so your payout speed depends on which activity you focus on. Now here's what actually matters when choosing one. Game availability is the biggest factor. If there are no live sessions or new quizzes, your earning options slow down immediately. Question difficulty balance also matters. Some apps adjust difficulty based on performance, which affects how often you win rewards. And payout thresholds matter more than most people realize. If the cash out limit is high, it takes longer to see real money even if you're earning steadily. So instead of searching for one best trivia cash app, the smarter approach is using more than one app so you always have active quizzes available. Summary: trivia cash apps pay through ads and sponsorships, not knowledge alone. Speed depends on game availability, difficulty balance, and withdrawal limits. No single app guarantees consistent fast payouts. Next step: install one trivia reward app and complete a few quiz sessions to see how quickly your answers convert into redeemable earnings. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.